Brasileiro, brasileira, terra muita acolhedora. I'm settled.
Settled in Brazil.
I'm settled.
You prefer Brazil?
I prefer. Education here is free. You can go to school from kindergarten to professor, free.
Free of charge.
Have you ever seen that? There's no place
as long as the public education.
There is, yes, as long as public. There's no place on the planet where education is free. They call me PJ, but my Cameroon name is Agbo.
Agbo.
Yeah.
Oh, from which region in Cameroon are you?
Bayangi man, Bayangi boy.
Bayangi. It's not the war who make you come to Brazil.
I came to Brazil 13 months before the war. The percentage of people who speak English there are more than the percentage here in Brazil, although Brazil is closer to America.
I actually have that privilege to meet my brother from Cameroon.
Yes, so
he actually live here in Brazil. And how do you call this place again?
We call this place Praia Grande, which means the big beach. This is the coastal part of São Paulo, where we have the beaches.
So we are still in the state of São Paulo.
Still in the state of São Paulo, very big. The state of São Paulo is bigger than Cameroon.
I was actually in the beach around here.
Oh yes, I saw the.
Have you been there?
Yeah, of course. I live. This is the beach. I live. My house actually 250 meters from the beach.
Oh, okay.
250.
But I love the place.
It's nice. It's nice. Everything is here.
What's your name?
My name, you can call me PJ, but my Cameroon name is Agbo.
Agbo.
Yeah.
Oh, from which region in Cameroon are you?
Bayangi man, Bayangi boy.
Bayangi.
Anglophone.
From Cameroon to Ukraine. From Ukraine to Canada. From Canada
to Brazil.
Yeah. And you finally want to stay in Brazil?
I'm settled.
Settled in Brazil.
I'm settled.
You prefer Brazil?
I prefer. Everything is here.
Tell me, what makes you love Brazil?
I love first of all the people of Brazil, the way life is in Brazil. Life is easy, not expensive.
Not expensive.
Not expensive.
No, wait.
Very simple.
You put that way of life is easy.
I don't want to say cheap because they'll be like, you always look for cheap things. No, but it's not expensive. It's not expensive. So I prefer to stay here.
To compare to Ukraine, compare to Europe.
No,
as compared to Canada.
As compared to Canada, it's not expensive. But as compared to some countries in Europe, especially Eastern Europe, is the same living standard. Like, for example, Brazil and Russia, they have the same standard of living.
Tell me, is it not the war who make you come to Brazil?
I came to Brazil 13 months before the war. 13 months before the war. Nobody ever imagined that there would be a war. So I came here before the war. I have 2 apartments in Brazil, in Ukraine. Two apartments. Yes.
How long you have been in Ukraine?
I was in Ukraine for 10 good years.
10 years,
Before
guys.
You
have been in Ukraine for 10 years.
Yes. So I got tired of the place and just said, okay, let me change. That's just it.
Just like that. I'm
telling you the gospel truth. This young man, they received me here now. I grew tired of the place. I was riding the biggest Jeep in Ukraine. It's a Land Cruiser Prado. I'm not seeing it here in Brazil.
And you decided just to come to
I just decided to sell it.
What was your attraction before discovering the good thing in the Brazil?
Okay, my attraction was first of all the fact that my wife doesn't even like the cold over there.
Yeah.
So she is even the person who pushed us to come here.
All right.
She doesn't like the cold. The cold over there in Ukraine and Russia is very bitter. Oh. So each year my wife has to take 12 injections to warm her blood. I'm an African, but I don't take that.
Okay.
But each year she has to take injections. They warm her blood every week. So for about 3 months of the severe cold, she has to take 1 injection every. Now we grew.
And then I believe you speak many languages.
I speak Russian, absolutely.
And your family?
Almost with perfection. My family speaks only Russian language. I speak Russian language almost with
perfection. You speak Russian, you speak
Russian, English, French,
Portuguese.
Yes, and I understand Spanish, but at the.
Can you give me some words in
level.
Russian?
Привет, как дела? That means hello, how are you doing?
Oh wow.
Привет, как дела? That means.
Привет, как дела?
Yes.
That is actually Russian.
I said in Ukraine we don't speak Ukrainian, we speak Russian.
And do they speak English there?
Yes, the percentage of people who speak English there are more than the percentage here in Brazil, although Brazil is closer to America and Canada.
It took you how long to speak Portuguese?
I don't really speak Portuguese very, very well, but I understand. I'm at the intermediate level. That means I've passed the basic level. At least I'm at the intermediate. Okay. Well, I wasn't serious when I came concerning the language because in my house, like I told you, we speak only Russian. So it took me more time to learn how to speak Portuguese than even how to learn to speak Russian. I have a Russian language certificate. But here I've never been to any lesson.
Any lesson in Portuguese. But I just wanted to find out, you was born and raised in Cameroon.
Of course, in Cameroon.
And then you left Cameroon
to Ukraine.
To Ukraine.
Yes.
And from Ukraine you go to Canada?
No, from Ukraine I came to Brazil.
You came to Brazil?
Yes. Then from Brazil I went to Canada. Then from Canada I came back to Brazil.
Come back in Brazil. Guys, is it mean that Brazil is better than Canada?
You can make
because many people want to go to Canada.
Yes, many people want to jackpot. People are even dying in the jungle to go, but is that they don't know. The reality is that you can make your heaven anywhere you are.
You are a Cameroonian guy?
Yes, Cameroonian.
You also have a citizenship of Ukraine because you have been there for 10 years.
Definitely. And
you
my
got
wife
Ukraine.
And property, house, yes.
And now you are in Brazil.
Yeah, now I'm in Brazil.
Are you intend to have another nationality beside Cameroon, Ukraine?
Brazil. No, for Brazil, I'm not in a rush for nationality. I have the permanent residency here, which is 10 years renewable. So, I mean, I'm comfortable.
Which nationality is your children?
Okay, my children, my son with my Ukrainian wife, he was born in Ukraine, so he's Ukrainian.
What kind of advice can you give to somebody who wants to come to Brazil?
The advice I would give someone who wants to come to Brazil is that he has to be patient, because when you come here, the first thing that you're going to be baffled with is the language. Since, look, education here is free. You can go to school from kindergarten to professor, free of charge. Have you ever seen that? There's no place
as long as the public education.
Yes, as long as public. There's no place on the planet where education is free everywhere. Healthcare is free. Absolutely free. My wife actually gave birth here through cesarean section. I did not pay one single kobo.
That could be one of the reasons why you are here.
No, that is not. I did not even know that.
Oh, okay.
I did not know. I got to realize that when I was already here. And then the country, I call it Terra Acolhedora. I'm an artist. You go to YouTube. Later on, I'll give you the details. There's a song I just dropped about 2 months ago.
Give yourself a shout out. Yeah.
There is a song I dropped 2 months ago. It's titled Terra Acolhedora, which means welcoming land, and it's in honor of Brazil's incomparable hospitality. There's no country as hospitable as this. So if you go to YouTube,
so you're a singer actually?
Yes.
Just sing for us.
Brasileiro, brasileira, terra muita acolhedora.
Wow. Guys, you know, we got artists here. I want to let you know that it's from Cameroon. It's actually a Ukrainian, but from Cameroon originally, but now he's in Brazil.
Yes, so.
Thank you.
I've been to 5 continents, but
5 continents?
Yes, of course.
And you prefer Brazil?
I prefer Brazil.
I think I have to join you. Guys, what do you think? Should I come to Brazil? Should I come and stay in Brazil, or should I go back to Johannesburg, South Africa?
Brazil is very beautiful.
You're
very
welcome.
Beautiful. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
The pleasure is
mine.
Thank you.